He discovered the secret of the maids. First, in a container I will add 500 milliliters of detergent, being the main element of this advice due to its degreasing effect. Then we will also use 90 grams of toothpaste. After adding the products, we are going to mix well. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Teresa, from Mexico. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. Then we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, which is also one of the main items of this tip. Finally, we are going to mix one last time and then we will have our tip ready to use. After mixing, we are going to put the entire mixture in a bottle to facilitate application. This container that I am using has a capacity of 500 milliliters and is enough for use for at least 2 weeks. I will use a funnel to avoid wasting product. After placing all the product, we just have to close it and it is ready for use. Baking soda is always very suitable for cleaning tips. Its alkaline effect is directly obtained to remove stains and dirt. You will already notice the different consistency of all the products you have used until today. You will easily notice the difference of this product among others sold in supermarkets. Have you ever made a cleaning mixture using toothpaste? Without a doubt, it is the main element for removing all the stains you have on your shapes and pots. We only have to apply the product directly to the pot that is dirty or even stained, and easily, just by using a sponge, I can remove all the dirt. You can even use steel sponge, just taking care of your type of pot. Then rinse with water and you are ready. This mixture goes a long way and will easily remove all stains from your kitchen utensils. This mixture will make cleaning your pots a breeze. It is possible to use this mixture to clean all the elements in your kitchen. I am sure that this advice will help you a lot in your daily life. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with the use of this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next video.